Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you should do when there's the rainbow in Heartopia. So, you are going to take out your rainbow bouquet. If you don't know what that is, sometimes there will be bubbles when there's the rainbow weather and it looks like this. And then once you have it in your inventory, you can just equip it, press F, and stuff like that. All right. Once you're done, you're going to start cooking. Um, and you're just going to cook a lot. So make sure you have all the ingredients from this week or I guess last week to cook a lot of food so you are able then to sell it to Albert. Here's how much I got. Yes, that is a lot of money, gold coins, whatever currency that is. This is also a great time to basically complete your collection, whether it's the fish one, the bird watching one, or the insect catching one. So, for instance, I don't have pumpkin seed, and I think it's only available when it's rainbow. I think it's also available when it's raining or when it's sunny, but if it's a rainbow weather, you'll get more chance in getting the fish. And as you can see, I got the fish here. And then I also did some bird watching, as you can see here. Also got a bird I haven't gotten before, as well as insect catching too. So it's usually from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. So you have 6 hours to do everything, and I think that's enough time. You might want to stock up on the mermaid attractor and the perfume before, however, for fishing, just to make it easier. So do that every single week, alright? And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!